Root canal treatment. Everything you need to know about before starting the treatment. Have you been experiencing persistent toothache or sensitivity to hot or cold foods and drinks for an extended period of time? These symptoms may be signs of an underlying dental issue such as deep decay, nerve inflammation, or an infection, and should not be ignored. In any of such conditions, your dentist may recommend you for a root canal treatment. But what exactly is a root canal treatment of a tooth? And why is it necessary? So let's begin with understanding what is a root canal treatment. A root canal treatment, commonly known as RCT, is a specialized dental procedure to treat infection or inflammation located at the innermost part of the tooth, known as the dental pulp. The pulp contains nerves, blood vessels, and connective tissue that help in the growth and nourishment of the tooth. RCT involves the careful removal of the diseased pulp, thorough cleaning and disinfection to preserve the natural tooth structure and restore its function. So we can conclude that root canal treatment is a safe option to save your natural tooth. Let's understand why RCT is needed. Root canal therapy is recommended when the tooth pulp becomes inflamed or infected due to deep decay, repeated dental procedures, or a crack in the tooth. If left untreated, the infection may spread and lead to severe conditions, such as tooth abscesses or tooth loss. This is how infection proceeds along pulp to form abscess. In untreated cases of deep caries, the patient starts experiencing more severe pain or discomfort affecting daily routine and activities. Common signs to notice that may indicate the need for a root canal treatment include 1. Severe toothache, especially while chewing. 2. Prolonged sensitivity to hot or cold. 3. Swelling and tenderness in nearby gums. 4. Darkening or discoloration of the tooth. A root canal is usually performed in 1 or 2 sittings, and here's what happens step by step during the procedure. Step 1. Diagnosis and X-ray of the affected or infected tooth. The dentist examines the tooth and takes X-rays to determine the extent of infection. Step 2. Application of local anesthesia to ensure comfort. The area around the affected tooth is numbed, making access opening. Step 4. Cleaning and shaping. The infected pulp is removed, and the canals are cleaned, shaped, and disinfected using specialized tools. Step 5. Filling the canal. The cleaned canal is filled with a biocompatible material called gutta percha and sealed. Step 6. Restoration. A temporary or permanent filling is placed, and later, a crown is added for strength and protection. Now, a common question: is RCT painful? Thanks to modern anesthesia and techniques, root canal treatment is nearly painless. In fact, most patients say it feels similar to getting a dental filling. Post-treatment care. After treatment, some of the patients may feel mild discomfort that may persist for a few days. To ensure completed recovery, please sincerely take prescribed medications, avoid chewing on the treated tooth until it is restored, maintain good oral hygiene, follow up with your dentist regularly. Importance of placing a crown after RCT. The crown cutting process involves carefully reducing the tooth structure using dental instruments to create space for the crown. This ensures proper fit, alignment, and retention of the final prosthetic crown. It is performed under local anesthesia and is painless when done with precision and care. To protect and restore function to your tooth, a crown is usually placed after the root canal. This ensures long-term strength and prevents fracture of the treated tooth. A systematically followed procedure will lead to perfect smiles post-treatment. Let's bust some common myths. Myths vs facts. 1 myth: root canals are very painful. Fact: they relieve pain and save your tooth. 2 myth: tooth extraction is better. Fact: saving your natural tooth is always the best option. A root canal treatment can save your natural tooth and relieve your pain, allowing you to smile with confidence. If you are experiencing toothache or sensitivity, don't delay. Consult us at 8383985031. Indraprasth Ortho and Dental Care, Raipur.